Hey everybody, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel a PayPal invoice. If you created an invoice by mistake or the customer no longer needs it, canceling it prevents confusion and ensures proper record keeping. This video is useful for sellers, freelancers, or business owners who use PayPal invoicing and need to cancel an invoice before payment is made. This video is going to be simple, it's going to be short and straight to the point, so make sure to stick around all the way to the end to learn how to cancel an invoice on PayPal. So first things first is you're going to want to load up your PayPal app. And you'll notice at the bottom that there's a couple of options. There's home, account, send/request, activity, and offers. What you want to focus on is activities. Once you click on activities, you're going to want to locate the actual invoice. So for me, this is the one I'm going to use. And you can see right here, all you do is just hit the cancel button. And that's really all there is to it. Now, you hit the cancel button, you can put a reason why, or you can just go ahead and cancel it. Don't have to put a reason why, and that is really it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I know it was super short and super to the point and super easy, but here's some tips that you can take home with you. Tip number 1 is to remember invoices can only be canceled if they haven't been paid yet. If payment has already been made, you'll need to issue a refund instead. The second tip I have is the recipient will be notified that the invoice was canceled. Third and final tip that I have for you is once the invoice is canceled, the invoice cannot be reinstated. You'll need to create an entirely new one if necessary. But yeah, that's all I have for you for today. If you did find this tutorial helpful, please be sure to drop a like. Also be sure to share this video with a family member or a friend or anyone you think this video will help. And most importantly of all, please be sure to hit that subscribe button. We're constantly doing tutorials on this channel. So yeah, with all that being said, I hope you have a great day and peace out.